dreaming on, and I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be the one. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be the one. It's never too late.
Hey Percy, how long if the conductor start blowing whistle?
About an hour.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Sir Topham had told us. He want us to wait for people to go home.
Percy, I can't spend the whole night. I got to sleep the shed for break. Besides, it's almost Friday.
I know, Thomas, but we have to.
What was that?
It's just me, guys.
Oh, it's my bad, Gordon.
So, you guys want some stories?
Oh yes, I love stories.
Okay, have you ever heard the ghost train?
No, I never heard of it.
The ghost train was an old engine. He looks like you, Thomas, but different.
Oh yes, I know him before.
Well then, let's hear for the story.
All right, it's all started on long time ago.